Hi, it's Tasha with WTI.
This mascara is really awesome for an everyday mascara. It's Rihanna's Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl, and it has done a great job as far as what I need. I love that it has a really long wand, and I'm able to get into the corners or any small areas where I have smaller eyelashes. This makes my eyes more open and more bold, and my lashes look a lot better. They're longer, they're thicker, and prettier. And I also feel that it's more natural since I don't feel like I have a lot of clumping or caking when I apply the mascara. It does a great job of just enhancing my eye. I'm super pleased that I don't have any flakiness under my eye after a day's use. I feel like it keeps my eyes looking very normal and natural throughout the day. And it does a great job of just applying it one time, and I don't need to reapply it throughout the day.
And that's my point of view.